Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us on this episode of Box Breaks here on Dynasty Central Sports. And this is what crippling addiction to a product is like. This is box 10.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I need it!
Of OPC Platinum 2021 hockey. And we are going to be ripping up this one, and I say this, but this will hopefully be the last box of this series. If I get any more, it's from after Christmas. I'm gonna be taking a break after this one, but this is box 10, and I'm hoping I'm finally gonna break the streak and get off the schneid and get a nice rookie autograph parallel in this box. I feel good. Got this at Valley Sports Cards in Tarzana, California. My favorite LCS. And hopefully we can have some good luck in this one. Thank you for watching this episode. And let's rip in to
Today, Junior!
OPC Platinum Hockey 2021. Let's go. Right to left. Vasilevsky, marquee rookie Alex Belzile, red prism to start off, then 51 out of 199. Great card to start off, a nice parallel, but still not a great name, but Alex Belzile, or Belzile, if you want to call him that. Either one, we're gonna sleeve him up, and there he is. Alex Belzile, or Belzile, marquee rookie, red prism, starting it off pretty nice. And then we got a Bowen Byram, marquee rookie, and a Braden Point base. Next pack. I've ripped enough of this product to know pretty much by the looks of back of the cards and everything what it can be. Kyle Connor base, Jake Evans rookie retro rainbow. Nice card. Jake Evans, it looks like this might be a Montreal Canadiens hot box. Hopefully not though. Not a lot of big names on the Canadiens in this product. Not Nick Suzuki or anything. We got marquee rookie Igor Zamula and a Alex DeBrincat base. So far not too bad. We got Canadiens going galore in this one. All right, next pack. Jamie Benn, Nathan McKinnon, and a marquee rookie, Liam Foudy, rainbow. Marquee rookie, Jason Robertson. All right, not too bad so far. 3 rookies in the first 3 packs, and they're all parallels. Holy shit. What? This Liam Foudy has some real fucked up shit on here. Oh fuck. Well, it is Liam Foudy, so it's thank God it's not someone good.
Who else wants the wrath?
Quinn Hughes, Kelvin fuck off Turkoff, retro rookie, Matt Pink Chris Kreider, and a Alexander Radulov base. Next pack. Kyle Palmieri, photo-driven Connor McDavid. That's a nice card. It's anything Connor McJesus right now is going hot. So I'll sleeve that up in a second. Marquee rookie of K. Andre Miller. And a Patrick Kane. Ryan O'Reilly. Nikita
420. Nice.
Kucherov. And that's a Nikita Kucherov sunset right after that. All right, pretty cool. And a Pavel Francouz, marquee rookie. All right, next pack. Moving right along. Gabe Landeskog, Jordan Binnington, retro Brendan Gallagher, and a marquee rookie of Ty Smith. Valtteri Filppula. Best in the world, Artemi Panarin, Steven Stamkos, and a marquee rookie of Vitaly Kravtsov.
Another one.
Victor Hedman. Jeff Skinner, Rainbow. Ryan Suter.
Dicky.
Fuck that guy. And a Josh Norris, marquee rookie. We got one more pack on the right-hand side. So far, only one numbered card. Zach Parise. Carey Price. Tomasz Hertl Retro. And an Elvis Merzlikin. So pretty much that would be the worst loose pack to get so far in this box. So right hand side is done. Let's start on the left hand side. If we're gonna get an update auto, most likely in the top 4. All right, let's go with the left hand stack. Brian Rust, best in the world, Marc-Andre Fleury, John Carlson, and a marquee rookie, Ty Dellandrea. Looks like maybe a matte pink or a retro coming up. We got Jeff Skinner, Thomas Chabot, retro Patrick Kane, and a Sean Monahan. That might be the worst Lucy we could get. Maybe. I don't know. What was the other one? The other retro was Tomasz Hertl. Yeah, I guess, Tomasz would be the worst of the bunch between Patrick Kane and Tomasz. Colton Perenko, Rainbow. Mark Scheifele, Sunset. Marquee rookie, Cal Foot. We got 5 cards in this pack. And Geno Malkin. All right, we got a D-Boss. Marquee rookie of Alex Belzile. We got 3 cards this pack. Well, maybe that's why we got 5 in the other one and they all suck.
Nailed you, fucker. Suck a butt.
All right, marquee rookie Alex Belzile. That would be the worst fucking Lucy to get, is if you got 3 cards in that and the best hit would be Alex Belzile, or regular marquee rookie, not even this one. Mats Zuccarello, Thomas Chabot Rainbow, Jakob Verana base, and a marquee rookie Morgan Geeky. Tyler Sagan, Duncan Keith, Tyler Sagan retro, and a Nick Schmaltz. We started off hot, but so far not great.
Good news, everyone. We found the name of Santiago's sex tape.
Sweet selections, maybe? All right, Travis Konechny, Derek Stepan. What is this? The future is now. Braden Point autograph. The fuck is this? All right, we got a marquee rookie, Timothy Liljegren. Fuck if I care about that. But what is this? This is the future is now. Braden Point auto. 1819, of course. That's what I would get. Of course I would get it. Braden Point 1819. But this is Braden Point. The future is now. 1819 OPC Platinum autograph of Braden Point. That is the future is now. 1819 OPC Platinum autograph Braden Point. I think this is a rookie actually, so I'll have to check this out. I'm not upset about it because Braden Point is a good name. He's a great player for Tampa. But I'm just kind of shocked by this. Again, in 1819, I am the king of pulling out OPC Platinum updates. Autos in these boxes. So apparently all the updates are going to Southern California. So, all right, we got 3 packs left and we know the auto is right there. All right, we got Tuukka Rask and Tyler Toffoli and Nico Hischier retro, And a Kevin Fiala, another Swiss man. 2 Swiss guys in a row. 2 packs left, and we're gonna do a last pack slow roll because, well, you know, this might be the last box.
I don't believe you.
Hopefully we get 2 numbered cards in this, and hopefully it's a good rookie numbered parallel. Anyways, hopefully we get them. Thank you for watching. OPC Platinum, 2 packs left. All right, we got a Taylor Hall. It's a yellow track, so a Philadelphia Flyer, James Van Riemsdyk.
That's real kick in the knackers, bro.
And that is going to be 142 out of 149. 142 out of 149. So you can see that numbering up close. But that's a James Van Riemsdyk. Yellow tracks. We got Mitch Marner base and a Kiefer Bellows marquee rookie. All right. I guess I should sleeve up the James Van Riemsdyk. Yellow tracks. Hopefully we get a another numbered parallel in this last pack, and hopefully it's a good one.
No chance, that's what you got.
You know what it is? It's time for a last pack slow roll here on Dynasty Central Sports, and that is where we're gonna turn down the lights. We're gonna change up the music and slip into something sexy, and that's why we're gonna unwrap this beauty right here before Christmas. OPC Platinum 2021 hockey. Thank you for watching. Let's go. Brent Burns.
I'm gonna come.
Aaron Ekblad. A rainbow of Brady to Chuck. Nils Hoglander, marquee rookie. And all the marquee rookies here, none of them are paralleled or numbered. Not even gonna go through those. Let's see here. Did I get anything here I'm missing? Retro, rainbow, sunset, rainbow, retro, best in the world crap, retro, rainbow, best in the world crap, retro, sunset, matte pink, this fucking idiot. 1, 2, and a Liam Foodie that looks like the printer fucking came on it.
I hate it, I fucking hate it.
Now it's just imprinted in the card. Fucking jizz drops. Alright, well, cool. 2 parallels in the last box. And I get this relic now. This card was from a set that doesn't even fucking know what COVID is. Like, it was pre-COVID. And it was a year before COVID. This is that whole fucking, how old this fucking card is from. Now, I like the card. Braden Point Future is now. It's kind of cool. It's not like it's a marquee rookie, even though that would be nice, or rookie auto. I really don't know what the fuck this is. I'll have to look it up. But 1819 OPC Platinum. I'm the fucking king of OPC Platinum update autos here on Dynasty Central Sports. Smash like down below, hit subscribe, throw us a comment down below. I love to hear from anyone that's watching these videos, and if good or bad, thank you for watching. And you know, I'm ambivalent about this box because it's a little interesting. We got shorted on a parallel, which sucks. We got 1819 update auto, which is the norm of my fucking channel. Of all my boxes, I think I got like 2, maybe new cards. Yeah, but this is cool. Braden Point, 1819 Futures Now auto on card, and 2 parallels, couple rainbows, and a Connor McJesus photo driven. But this is box 10 of OPC Platinum, and hopefully this is the last one, so my sadness will go away. But anyways, and you know, I think I've cleared out every update auto that you can get, except for the Sid Kids, which are probably the good ones. So thank you for watching. We'll see you